In this question, you have to identify the products of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodules of leguminous plants. Option A, ammonia and oxygen. This is incorrect. Nitrogenase does not produce oxygen. In fact, oxygen inhibits nitrogenous activity. And leguminous plants have mechanisms to protect nitrogenase from oxygen exposure. Option B, ammonia and hydrogen. The enzyme nitrogenase catalyzes the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, along with the production of hydrogen as a byproduct. And this reaction occurs in the root nodules of leguminous plants during the biological nitrogen fixation. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C, ammonia alone. This is incorrect because hydrogen is also produced along with ammonia as already stated. Option D, nitrate alone. This is also incorrect. Nitrogenase does not produce nitrate. Rather, nitrate is formed through different processes which is known as nitrification in the nitrogen cycle. But it is not by the help of the nitrogenase.